Laethanta na Seachtaine, the Irish days of the week. Díomh Cóide agus tá fáilte romh arás ag an gcainéal. Hello everyone and you're very welcome back to the channel. Inniu, tá muid caint faoi rud a úsáidemuid gach lá. Today we're talking about something we use every single day. Laethanta na Seachtaine in Gaeilge. The days of the week, known as Laethanta na Seachtaine in Irish. Dús tá trí leagan den íseán seo ar fáil. Tusathóir idirmheánach ardleibhéal nasc híos. First of all, there are 3 versions of this video available: beginner, intermediate and advanced, links below. Smaoinigh tú riamh cádás a tháinig ainmneacha Laethanta na Seachtaine. Have you ever wondered where the days of the week got their names? In Gaeilge, tá cuid acu ón págánacht, cuid ón Latin agus cuid ón Chríostaíocht. In Irish, some days get their name from pagan times, some from the Latin language, and some from Christianity. In sin siad scéal stair na hAoine agus cultúr na tíre. They tell a story of the history of Ireland and the culture of this country. Branóid ar thuanis, Déardaoin go Déardaoin. And let's take a look at them now, from Monday to Sunday. A shame, a doe, a tree. Déardaoin, Monday. Cílín Déardaoin lá na gealaí. Déardaoin literally means day of the moon. Tagann sé ón Latin dies lunae. It comes from Latin dies lunae. Mar sin dír cosúla Monday seo lá na gealaí sa dá theanga. Therefore, both the English form Monday and the Irish form Déardaoin refer to day of the moon. De Máirt, Tuesday. Tagann de Máirt arís ón Latin dies Martis. De Máirt again comes from Latin, the term dies Martis. Lá Mhars, dia na cogaíochta, the day of Mars, the god of war. Arís sé an phréamh céine atá ag Tuesday in Merla. The same root also gives us Tuesday in English. Ón dia Lochlanach Tiú, a bhaineann freisin leis an goga. From the Norse god Tiú, who also has links to war. Mar sin, is lá catha é de Máirt ar fud na Eorpa. So we can say that Tuesday is a day of war all across Europe. Dé Céadaoin, Wednesday. Seo an cé ceann atá fíor Ghaelach, and this is where the real Irish names begin. Cílín Céadaoin an chéad ina. Dé Céadaoin literally means first fast. A hagan ó céad agus ina, which comes from céad, first, and ina, fast. Bhí sé buinteach leis na Laethanta trosca Christi in Éireann. This marks the beginning of the Christian fasting days in Ireland. Mar sin, níl aon phláinéad nó dia I gceist leis an gceann seo. Therefore, there's no planets or gods in question with this one, ach an Eagleis, but the Christian Church. Déardaoin, Thursday. Cílín Déardaoin idir na híine. Déardaoin means between 2 fasts. Mar bhí Céadaoin agus ina in a Laethanta trosca, because both Wednesday and Friday were fast days. Agus an sin bhí Déardaoin díreach atarthú, and of course Thursday was right in the middle. An practical agus an Gaelach. Very practical and very Irish. Agus seans go raibh sibh amach é hana, and you might have already figured this one out. Ach cílín déhíine lá an troscaí. But déhíine, Friday, means the day of fast. Ba chuimhne ar lá na crisise a bhí ann. This day honours the day of crucifixion in Christianity. Agus níor daoine in Éireann feol ar an lá seo fadó. And in the old days, no meat was eaten in Ireland on Fridays. De Sathairn, Saturday. Tagann de Sathairn ón Latin arís, dies Saturni. De Sathairn, Saturday, comes again from Latin, the phrase dies Saturni. Lá Sathairn, dia an óir, the day of Saturn, the god of the harvest. Cuinín an ceann seo a bhunús Ladna, so this word as well keeps its Latin roots. Díreach cosúla Saturday in Merla, exactly the same as Saturday in English, Saturn's day. Déardaoin, Sunday. Cílín Déardaoin, law on Tíorna. Déardaoin means the Lord's day. Agus tugann sé ríist on Latin, dies Dominica. And it comes again from Latin, dies Dominica, the Lord's day. Mar sin, bala nefa sciha hAoine. Therefore, Sunday was always the sacred day of rest. Mar sin, siad Laethanta na Seachtaine in Gaeilge. So there you have it, the Irish language days of the week. Tugann siad ó bhascán the Latin, Christiocht agus tradiisiún na hAoine. They come from a mixture of Latin language, Christianity and Irish tradition. Ó lá na gealaí go lá an tíorna tá scéal ag gach ceann acu. From the day of the moon to the day of the Lord, each one has its own story. Ach sin é I gcóir inniu chuirde, but that's it for today everyone. Gur míle mágwibh os breanúir seo. Thanks so much for watching. Ná darmid clárú leis an gcainéal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go dtí an cé ceann eile, sin é umse chuirde, a Shane, a dó, a trí.